Hello there, hunters. Here we are, spring turkey season, Jackson County, 2020. I want to point out a couple things to you to make a successful turkey hunt. You want to have all the right gear. Hang on one second, I gotta check my breakfast. Yeah. Kylie, is that coffee warm? Yeah. Okay. So we got our breakfast cooking. Oh, 1 second. I need to add a piece of cheese to this. There we go. Perfect. So we got our breakfast going. We got our coffees hot. That's good. We got our avian decoy semi-strutter set up out here. Got the slate call, camo gun. Everything's on point. All we need now is to sit patiently and wait for that right bird to show up. So, Kylie, you ready for some breakfast?